The Alligator indicator was developed in 1995 by the legendary trader Bill Williams, who gave the world many indispensable tools for technical analysis. The indicator got its name due to its similarity to an alligator's mouth, which opens and closes depending on the market behavior. How it works. The indicator is a combination of 3 smoothed moving averages with different periods, 13, 8, 5, and shifts, 8, 5, 3, using the median price. Each of them has its name: jaws, blue line, period 13, shift 8, teeth, red line, period 8, shift 5, lips, green line, period 5, shift 3. The Alligator is a trend indicator that helps to identify the beginning and end of trends. When there is no trend and the price changes are smooth, the distance between the moving averages is minimal. The Alligator is asleep. Whenever a trend starts, the distance between the moving averages grows too, and the alligator's mouth starts to open. The greater the distance between the lines, the stronger the trend. When a trend starts to slow down, the indicator lines return to their original state. The mouth closes and the alligator continues to sleep. Trading recommendations. When using the indicator, the following cases are considered to be signals for placing trades. 1. When the green moving average crosses the red one from the bottom up, this is considered the beginning of an uptrend. To ensure that the signal is accurate, you can wait until the distance between the lines increases and the alligator's mouth opens wider. The indicator settings. In the settings menu, you can edit the appearance of all 3 moving averages, as well as the periods and shifts for each one of them. Start applying the described strategies in your daily trading and watch your trading results improve. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and see you next time.